Hey, it's been a while since I've posted a video on YouTube. That is because I have been very busy with my new project. I am writing a second book called Time Series Forecasting Using Foundation Models. And yes, it is my second book, the first one being Time Series Forecasting in Python. If you haven't read it, make sure to grab a copy. I will leave a link in the description below. So, as you know, traditionally, right, we train models for a specific data set or scenario, all right? So if we need to forecast another series, then we have to train another model. Now, of course, that takes time and requires knowledge and expertise to build those forecasting models. With foundation models, this changes completely because now we have access to huge models trained on billions of data points and capable of zero-shot forecasting, meaning that all we have to do is load a model, feed our series, and we get predictions right away. So you can already see how using them can really speed up the entire forecasting process, since now we don't need to train a unique model for each series or scenario. Also, it lowers the barrier of entry to forecasting because now all of the heavy lifting was already done for us. And it is really useful when you're forecasting a series that doesn't have enough data to train a model from scratch, right? So think of a situation where maybe you're trying to predict the sale of a new product, right? But you haven't only been selling that product for a very few days or very few months, so not enough data to build a model from scratch. Then using your foundation model, it can help make some more reasonable forecasting than training it from scratch. So this is why I decided to write this book. So after reading it, you will have all of the knowledge required to use foundation models today, but also to understand and implement the future work that will be done in the field. And the book starts with the basics, okay? So we explore the concept of foundation models and we discover their advantages and disadvantages to make sure that you make the right decision for your projects. And then we build our own tiny foundation model, mainly to experiment with the fundamental concepts like pre-training, transfer learning, and fine-tuning. It also makes us appreciate how hard it is to actually build an actual foundation model. And then we start using large time models. So foundation models specifically built for time series forecasting. We study their architecture, their capabilities, and we apply them in hands-on projects using Python. And after that, we experiment with large language models because there is work that has been done to adapt these LLMs to forecasting tasks. And finally, we conclude the book with a capstone project so that we can apply our learnings and compare foundation models to the more traditional data-specific methods. So the book is currently in early access at Manning.com. So at the time of making this video, there are 3 chapters that are released already. And so you can buy the book now at a very nice discount and you will get access to all future chapters. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, on Medium. Of course, you're watching this on YouTube, so feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions, or you can go on my own website, datasciencewithmarco.com. Enjoy the read.